You gonna talk? Do it. What were you telling me? You were telling me secrets. Come on. Yeah? What else? What are you doing, Munchkin? Ooh, that was a good one. Your little feet are going. Hi, cutie. Hello. What are you doing? You are a funny Munchkin. Sticking your belly out. Just took your bath. You're all ready for bed. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh. Hmm? Hi. Uh-huh. You're going to be 5 months old on Wednesday. What do you think of that? Yeah, party. Hmm? Ooh, I think you're hungry. I think you're hungry. Yes. Yeah. Hmm? Hmm. Oh, yummy. Okay, I'll feed you now. I love you, Chloe. You're the cutest. You love me too? Yeah? Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Muffin.